Checking then that you are sitting comfortably or lying down. You can also perform this exercise standing if you're outside, but it really does lend itself much better to a seated or a lying down position. This is one of my favourite exercises in order to help you to get off to sleep at night, or you can perform it if you wake up in the middle of the night and you can't get back to sleep. It's a simple breathing exercise which uses your mind. Very little physical movement. In fact, the only physical movement is the inhale and exhale movement that's caused by your breath. So you can just be very relaxed for this exercise. It's the perfect one for when you go into bed at night. And it's called Relax, Expand and Nourish the Heart. So in Chinese medicine and Qigong, the heart nourishes and houses the mind. So our mind has to be calm in order to sleep. So if our heart is calm and well nourished, our mind is also calm and well nourished, and that promotes peaceful sleep. So this is a really, really lovely exercise to help with just general calmness of mind, but more specifically, really helping with sleep. So get yourself nice and comfortable now. Close the eyes, and all you need to do is to follow along with my voice. The mouth is closed. The tongue is resting against the roof of your mouth, and the tip of the tongue rests against the back of your upper teeth. Beginning your practice with 3 abdominal breaths. Breathing in, feel the belly expand. Breathing out, feeling the belly shrink. So we're going to move from the head all the way down to the toes. And in your mind's eye, you're going to be thinking of relaxing and expanding each area you bring your attention to as you exhale. You're not moving that area in any way. This all happens in your mind's eye. The only movement is the gentle rise and fall of your belly as you breathe. When I ask you to think of relaxing and expanding a particular body part, try to visualize that expansion in all directions. So up, down, forwards, backwards and sideways. Feeling the whole area softening as you exhale. So firstly, bring your mind to your head. Think about the head, and the next time you breathe out, relax and expand the head in all directions. Forward from the face, sideways from the ears, up, down, back from the back of the head. Next, bring your mind to your neck. And as you breathe out, relax and expand the neck in all directions. Coming next to your shoulders. Think about the shoulders. As you breathe out, relax and expand the shoulders. Next, bring your mind to your upper arms. And as you exhale, relax and expand the upper arms. Now bringing your mind to your elbows. And as you breathe out, relax and expand the elbows from deep within the joint outwards in all directions. Thinking next of your forearms. Breathing out, relax and expand the forearms. Now coming to your wrists. Exhaling, expanding the wrists in all directions. Now bring your mind to your hands. As you breathe out, relax and expand the hands to the very tips of all the fingers and the thumbs. Bring your mind to your chest and upper back. As you breathe out, relax and expand the chest and upper back. Coming next to the lower back and the pelvis. Breathing out, relax and expand the lower back and the pelvis. Now thinking of your hips and buttocks. As you breathe out, relax and expand the hips and buttocks. Now bring your mind to your thighs. As you breathe out, relax and expand the thighs in all directions. Now coming to the knees, relax and expand from deep within the joint outwards as you exhale. Now think of your shins and your calves, the lower leg area. As you breathe out, relax and expand the lower legs. Thinking next of the ankles. Breathing out, relax and expand the ankles in all directions. Coming now to your feet. As you breathe out, relax and expand the feet to the very tips of all the toes. Now bring your mind back to Dantian, to your lower abdomen area. Breathing in, feel the belly expand. Breathing out, feeling the belly shrink. Keeping the smile on the corners of your mouth, and place one hand over Dantian on the lower abdomen, the other hand directly on top of that. Keep the shoulders nice and relaxed. And then gently just giving your belly a little rub by circling in one direction, sealing in all that lovely qi that you've been working with. And change the direction. Still with the eyes closed now, bringing the palms together till they get really, really hot. And then placing one palm over each eye, fingers facing up towards the ceiling, feeling that lovely heat from your hands traveling through your eyes into your mind. And now, to bring yourself back into the room, gently give yourself a little face wash, a little massage. And gently opening the eyes, allowing the hands to come back down by your sides or resting on your thighs if you're sitting. So that was Relax, Expand and Nourish the Heart, which is a lovely exercise working from head to toe to relax and release any tension in the physical body, but also to really help calm your mind. And for that reason, it is my ideal exercise for helping to establish and maintain peaceful sleep.